Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you in-depth reviews of the latest tech products on the market. Today, we have something special in store for you: the HP 24 All-in-One PC. This sleek and powerful machine has caught our attention, and we're here to tell you all about it. Let's start with the design. As you can see, the HP 24 All-in-One PC comes in a stunning snow white color, which adds a touch of elegance to any space. Its slim profile and minimalistic design make it a perfect fit for both work and play. Now, let's talk about performance. This PC is powered by an Intel Core i3-1115G4 dual-core processor clocked at 4.1 GHz. It's capable of handling your daily tasks with ease, whether it's web browsing, office work, or even light gaming. The 23.8-inch diagonal FHD-VA 3-sided micro-edge anti-glare display with a resolution of 1920x1080 delivers sharp and vibrant visuals. Whether you're watching movies, editing photos, or working on spreadsheets, this display won't disappoint. With 4 GB of DDR4 RAM and a speedy 256 GB PCIe NVMe M.2 SSD, you'll experience smooth multitasking and quick boot times. Plus, the Intel UHD graphics ensures decent graphics performance for everyday use. One of the standout features of this PC is that it comes pre-installed with Windows 11 Home, offering a modern and intuitive user interface. You'll enjoy the latest features and updates from Microsoft right out of the box. What sets the HP 24 apart is its upgradability. The panel can be removed in just 3 simple steps, allowing you to easily upgrade your hardware components, ensuring that your PC remains up-to-date and powerful. The 3-sided micro-edge display not only looks great but also provides an immersive viewing experience, while the pop-up privacy camera adds an extra layer of security, ensuring your privacy is protected. If you're worried about delivery, don't be. You can get free delivery between February 5-7, or opt for the fastest delivery on Thursday, February 1st, if you order within the next 9 hours and 36 minutes. But wait, there's more. You can enhance your computing experience with some optional accessories. Consider adding Microsoft 365 Family for a 3-month free trial and a 12-month subscription, or Norton 360 for added antivirus protection. If you're into productivity, Adobe Acrobat Professional DC is also available for a 12-month subscription. And for those who want to stay ahead with their taxes, TurboTax Deluxe 2023 tax software is a great addition. So, there you have it, folks. The HP 24 All-in-One PC is a stylish and capable machine that combines power and elegance in one package. With its upgradability, modern display, and Windows 11 Home, it's an excellent choice for both work and leisure. If you're interested in this product, you can find it on Amazon from the seller Himalayas, LLC. And remember, it's eligible for return, refund, or replacement within 30 days of receipt. That's all for today's review on Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more tech reviews and updates. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next one.